Hello, and welcome back. Did you know that one of the most common critiques of AIs is their lack of emotion? Until now, AIs have been found to struggle to express emotions like normal people. And for people looking to make the best possible use of AI, this has become a significant issue. That is why we've created this video, to show you that there now exists an AI tool that addresses this problem. It's called Natural Reader. Natural Reader, also known as Natural Readers, is a revolutionary text-to-speech AI technology. Unlike most other text-to-speech AIs, it provides customizable emotions for each AI voice actor. You can change an emotion with the simple click of a button. Whether you need a voiceover for your YouTube videos, podcasts, e-learning courses, or any other project, Natural Readers can help you create high-quality audio files in minutes. To use Natural Reader, you just need to follow these steps. Step 1. Choose your voiceover artist. Go to naturalreaders.com and click Start for free. Alternatively, you could sign up for a free account by registering. Now you can choose the language for your voiceover. There are options such as English, Arabic, Chinese, Danish, Dutch, French, German, Hebrew, Korean, Polish, Spanish, and more. Listen to the artist and choose one you like.
Good evening. We have a packed show for you, including new developments in the economy and an in-depth analysis of the latest.
I still get nightmares. In fact, I get them so often I should be used to them by now.
I can't wait to see where life takes me in the years to come.
What sunshine is to flowers, smiles are to humanity.
Jane sounds like a great voice, and I liked her emotion. Once you've chosen a voice artist, click Next. Choose whether you are using this for personal or commercial use. As I generally use these videos for commercial use, I will select for commercial use, and then go to AI Voice Generator. It looks like Natural Readers has added some new voices that are in beta. For this video, I'll again select Jane. Check out the differences in her voice when she expresses different emotions.
Natural Reader Commercial allows users to redistribute their...
You ought to know that I am not to be trifled with.
What sunshine is to flowers, smiles are to humanity.
Download the mobile app now. By golly, what a place that kitchen was. I still get nightmares.
One disagreeable result of whispering is that it seems to evoke an atmosphere.
For now, I'll choose Jane's default voice. Scroll down and click Next. Step 2. Enter your text. There is some default text that is automatically added by Natural Readers that we can remove and add our own. Let's add 2 short love messages to showcase 2 different voice actors. I'll have ChatGPT write me 2 short love messages and copy and paste them separately here. Before we make any adjustments, let's listen to the messages.
In the quiet moments of the day, it's your laughter that echoes in my heart, creating a melody that soothes my soul. And when the world fades away, it's your eyes that light up my universe, painting it with the colors of love. Like the stars that illuminate the night sky, your presence brings a radiant glow to the canvas of my life. In the symphony of our connection, every note is a reminder that my heart beats in harmony with yours, creating a timeless melody of love.
Step 3. Make adjustments and add emotions. For the first part of the first message, I want Jane to be more cheerful. And for the second part, I would like her to whisper. For the second voice artist, I'll choose Tony. To change a voice-over artist, hover over the current artist, then click All Voices. You can preview each voice style by hovering over an artist. For now, I will select Tony. For the first part of the second love message, I want Tony to be excited. And for his second part, let's see what he sounds like when shouting. You can also adjust the speed of each voice, and also make adjustments including adding a break, emphasis, adjusting the pitch, volume, and pronunciation. I'll add a break to the end of each of the paragraphs.
In the quiet moments of the day, it's your laughter that echoes in my heart, creating a melody that soothes my soul. And when the world fades away, it's your eyes that light up my universe, painting it with the colors of love.
Like the stars that illuminate the night sky, your presence brings a radiant glow to the canvas of my life. In the symphony of our connection, every note is a reminder that my heart beats in harmony with yours, creating a timeless melody of love.
These are actually quite good. I think Jane sounds amazing for love messages when she's whispering. Step 4. Export your voiceover. Once you're happy with your voiceover, click the download button. You can export your audio as MP3 or WAV, choose between all the paragraphs or just one, separate audio files or combine into one audio, and choose to download just the audio file, download it with the text file, SRT file, and VTT file. That's it. You have just created a natural-sounding voiceover using Natural Reader. You can use the audio file for any personal, commercial, or educational purpose, as long as you follow the terms and conditions of Natural Reader. Thank you for watching this AI tutorial video. See you in the next video tutorial. Bye-bye.